Is this the baby app you need in 2026? Parenting in 2026 looks very different than it did even a few years ago. With apps to track feeding, sleep, growth, vaccinations, and even diaper changes, new parents are overwhelmed with choices. One app that's been gaining attention recently is Baby Tracker Pro, marketed as an all-in-one baby tracking solution for the modern parent. But with so many baby apps out there, the real question is Baby Tracker Pro actually worth it, or is it just another app that looks cool on the surface? Let's break it down. Baby Tracker Pro is designed to help caregivers monitor and log pretty much every aspect of an infant's day. You can track feeding times, durations, and types of feeds, monitor sleep schedules, log diaper changes, record growth milestones, and even keep vaccination and medication records. The idea is to give you a single place where you can record all the important details without juggling notebooks, spreadsheets, or multiple apps. One of the first things users notice is how easy the app's interface feels. When you open Baby Tracker Pro for the first time, you're greeted with a dashboard that presents key metrics at a glance. Instead of bouncing between screens to enter new data, the app puts your next action front and center. For new parents who are juggling feeding, crying, playtime, and exhaustion, that simplicity can feel like a lifesaver. Another selling point is customization. Baby Tracker Pro lets you adjust tracking categories to match your parenting style. Whether you're breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or using a combination, you can configure the app to reflect your routine accurately. You can set reminders for feedings or naps, and see patterns over time that help you understand your baby's unique rhythms. But what about accuracy? While logging data is useful, it's only valuable if it's easy to enter and reliable when you need it. For many users, Baby Tracker Pro strikes a solid balance. Tap few buttons, choose from simple options, and the app records the event without friction. For busy caregivers, that's essential. Every second counts when you're juggling a baby, diaper bag, and half-drunk coffee. Despite these strengths, there are some limitations worth mentioning. One of the most common criticisms is feature bloat. Because Baby Tracker Pro tries to do everything, some parents find certain sections overwhelming or unnecessary. For example, if you only need a feeding tracker and a sleep log, the extra milestone or medication modules may feel like clutter, especially on smaller screens. Another point to consider is support and guidance. Baby Tracker Pro has helpful tutorials and tooltips, but it doesn't replace guidance from pediatricians or childcare professionals. No app can diagnose health issues or offer tailored medical advice. Sometimes users expect more than what the app can realistically provide, and that can lead to frustration. Then there's the question of data privacy. With apps that store information about children's schedules, growth, and health, you want to be sure that data is secure and handled responsibly. Baby Tracker Pro emphasizes encryption and data protection, but as with any digital tool, you should always read privacy policies and understand what is being shared or stored. Another key factor in choosing a baby tracking app is community and support. Some apps build large user communities, forums, or professional integrations that help parents learn from each other. Baby Tracker Pro has a smaller community compared to larger platforms, so that social element may feel limited if you enjoy connecting with other caregivers. So, is Baby Tracker Pro the baby app you need in 2026? The honest answer is this: it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a flexible, all-in-one app to log feedings, sleep, diapers, and growth in a centralized place, Baby Tracker Pro is a strong contender. Its interface is intuitive, its customization options are solid, and it helps you see patterns in your baby's routine that you might otherwise miss. If you prefer simpler, single-purpose trackers, or you rely heavily on pediatric or professional guidance for baby care, a more focused app or another solution might suit you better. The best tool is the one that fits your parenting style, not necessarily the one with the most bells and whistles. If this review helped you understand whether Baby Tracker Pro is worth using in 2026, leave a like and subscribe for more honest app reviews. And tell me in the comments, what features matter most to you in a baby tracker app? Stay organized, stay sane, and I'll see you in the next one.